You've probably used Kling AI's motion control feature. You upload a reference video and a character image, and the AI transfers the motion from that video directly onto your character. But Kling isn't the only option anymore. There's another model that can do this too, and hardly anyone is talking about it. That model is Seedance 2. First, open the OpenArt website. From the video drop-down menu, select Video Edit. Then make sure the Modify Video option is selected. Next, in the Model section, choose Seedance 2. Now upload your reference video. This is the video whose motion will be transferred. After that, upload your character image. This is the character that will perform those movements. Next, enter your prompt. Then scroll down and choose your preferred output mode and video resolution. Once everything is configured, click the Generate button. In a few minutes, Seedance 2 will analyze the motion from your reference video and apply it to your character. If you'd like to explore more AI models that support motion control, check out the video appearing on your screen right now.